Hello guys, I hope everybody is doing well. We are here on Kahlyxz Farms. Yeah, guys. Please before we start, hit the notification bell. Turn on or the notification bell for more information to our channel about agriculture. Today's basis we are on how to prepare a nursery bed for tomato seeds. So yeah, we begin with as we start with clearing of the land, or you find a better place where the soil is very fertile for the process to begin. So when we start with that, finally we clear the land. Make sure we clear every weeds that may disturb the seedling or the seed from germinating. We make sure we clear it. We make the bed, and now as in the process making the bed that we are making here is raised bed, not sunken bed. Let me let you know. Yeah, it's raised bed, not sunken bed. So we start with raised bed. Okay, so we raise the bed, we make the bed. Now we are clearing on top. Make sure you pick out any disturbing materials that may cause the seed not to germinate, that may affect the germination of the seed. Make sure you pick them, or any rough material on top of the bed. You clean it, you make it smooth. Now here we go. So this is how it starts from. This is how it's made. So now as you are done with the bed, see, yeah, so he's trying to figure things out. He's trying to arrange everything. He's trying to put everything in order, as you can see over there. Guys, this is Kahlyxz Farm. Let me remind you again, hit the notification bell for more information on agriculture farms. Okay, this is Kahlyxz Farms again. So now clearing, I see. Now we are here to smooth, pick everything on top. He's picking it. This is how the process starts. This is how everything starts. Yeah. Now it's almost getting ready to start with it. Yeah. So now we move with the bed is fully prepared. As you can see guys, now the bed is fully prepared. So now it's left with how we are going to sprinkle the seed on the bed. Yeah, if I'm wrong over there, please correct me. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the bed is fully prepared now. Now this is the tomato variety we are using here. As you can see, this is from Italy, guys. This variety from Italy. Yeah, we used it for the past 3 months, and the left one is this. So we are here to nest it. So as you can see, you see, now he's spreading it. He's spreading it. So spread it all over. Spread it all over. Let's go. Let's go guys. So now you spread it. Make sure you spread it. Spread it. Guys, we are sorry, our land here is very fertile. That's the reason why we didn't try to use any organic material or any organic substance to make it. Yeah, if I say organic material, which means I mean organic fertilizer like cow dung, a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, you should understand. Yeah, so now it's fully spread on the land. It's left with the covering. As you can see, the seedlings spread on top of the raised bed. Yeah, raised nursery bed is how it moves. Let's go. Come on, guys. You see how interested, you see how nice it looks. Yeah, perfect one. Okay, so now we are here to make soil to spread, to cover the top in which the seed has been placed or spread. We need to cover the seeds. Yeah, we need to cover the seed to prevent microorganisms from destroying it. Yeah, we need to cover it to prevent microorganisms or bacteria destroying it. So the soil for spreading, we need to make sure there is no stone or other materials that will affect the germination. To make sure there is no other material that will affect the germination. Please guys, I'm begging you. These are the steps. As you can see, this is what we are doing. Yeah guys, actually this is what I'm doing. Yeah, so now we are done with the spreading of the sand on top of the seeds. Now we will place palm leaves on top. This dried one, sorry, we didn't get the fresh one, so we had to use the dry one. Now we sprinkle water on it to contain moisture. Already now the soil contained moisture, so we didn't water it several times. By the way, I'm sorry. I need to let you guys know that anytime you need to water it, you need to water the bed very well before you take process. You see, now the bed is fully watered, so we are going to leave it. After this, you water it every day, morning, if you can afternoon, you add it, and evening. But if you can't, morning and evening, morning, evening, morning, evening, morning, evening.